Hello friends, welcome to our Step Tutorial channel. This is Shahid as your friend. So before we start our today's session, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel so you can never miss out any update on the video that we are going to publish on this channel. So today I am explaining you something different other than SEO. I am giving tutorials on MS Excel formulas. So let's begin with the basic formulas that as a beginner you you should know, and it will be helpful to start your career or to do any basic task in MS Excel frequently. So what are these formulas? It is addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, average, maximum and minimum. So let's start with the addition. So how you can add many numbers at an instant in Excel. So I have taken these 7 numbers, and to add these 7 numbers at an instant you can directly add using is equal to SUM sum, select the sum operator, and in bracket you have to give in the cell number. Suppose this is C4 colon, and what is the last cell number? Last cell number is C10, and close the bracket. The answer is 650. Alternatively, you can also do that by using the Autosum option, which is a predefined option. But for this, you need to it is mandatory to press the equal to button, because then only the operator will active. Otherwise, the operator will show value error. So I have put in the equal to option, and here you can find the autosum. Autosum. Select the autosum. It is not selected. Select it again. Yes, it is selected. Now what you can do? You can select the cell range that you need to add. I have selected it, and then again there's the autosum option. Yes, the answer is 650. So in this way you can add number of many numbers at an instance using the autosum operator. The next option is how you can subtract numbers. To subtract number, you can directly do it by using the operator is equal to, suppose I suppose here it is I4 minus I5. The answer is 47. And you this is how you can subtract the number. The division is also very easy, like the subtraction. For this, you need to divide is equal to divide m4 oblique the sign of division m5 m5. Enter. The answer is 21. See, and for multiplication also you can do it directly. Suppose I have to multiply these two numbers. For this, I can use the is equal to q4 asterisk sign of multiplication asterisk q5. Enter. The answer is 999. Alternatively, you can multiply numbers by using the predefined operator, that is, it is not multiply, it is product is equal to product product. When you select the product, this title, it will ask for the number you have to multiply. So my number is q4 colon q5, and close the bracket. The answer is 999. So in this way, you can add, you can subtract, you can divide, or you can multiply the number. And now how you can find the average of numbers. So I have taken these 6 numbers, And how I can find average of these numbers? It is very simple. I have to select the operator, and here I need to type average operator, select the average, and again I have to select the cell. Yeah, here it just worked. I have taken out the average of these 6 numbers. And how I can find the maximum of this number? For to find the maximum, I need to type equal to max. See, I have selected max operator, and either I can choose it, which is this J15 colon and J20. J20. See, the average of these is 89. Alternatively, I can do this is equal to average yeah, the average is 54. No, I have to find out the max now. Average is 54, and to find the maximum number is equal to max and select the numbers. See, the maximum value out of this is 89. So it has shown the maximum number. I was confused about average and by mistake. So how you can find the minimum of this number? So to find the minimum, I have to select the min minimum. Suppose you have given a series number, many numbers, and what is the minimum number in that? How you can select? Now select the cell range and see the minimum number is 21 out of these. So I have automatically identified that what is the minimum number. So in this way, if you were given many numbers, suppose 50 or 100 or any number, you can easily identify the average. You can easily identify the maximum number of the, or easily identify the minimum number from that. So I think you like the video. So if you like this video, so don't forget to share this across your channel, across your friend, across your relatives, or anyone who want to be proficient in MS Excel and looking to learn Excel. That's all from my side. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.